ADATA Technology, a leading manufacturer of high-performance DRAM modules and NAND Flash products, today launched the HV300 and HD330 external hard drives. Measuring in at 10.3 mm thick, the HV300 is one of ADATA's slimmest large-capacity external hard drives to date, and features a sleek and sophisticated design that's sure to impress. The HD330, on the other hand, is designed with durability in mind, featuring a robust silicone layer that protects it and the data inside from accidental drops and bumps. Sporting a profile of just 10.3 mm, the HV300 slips easily into the pockets of briefcases and backpacks, and is equally easy to grasp in one hand. What's more, it features an elegant design that'll satisfy even the most discerning users, namely its eye-catching, glossy front cover surrounded by a beautifully textured frame. For an added injection of personality, users can choose from 4 colors to match their style: black, red, white and blue. The HV300 comes in capacities of 1 TB, 2 TB, 4 TB, and 5 TB to meet the needs of different users, whether for backing up work files or storing 4K movies, and it transfers that data fast with USB 3.1. It is equipped with ADATA's proprietary shock sensors, which immediately ceases all drive activity if any impact is detected, thereby minimizing the occurrence of errors and bad sectors. What's more, it has HV300 software with ease 256-bit encryption to keep the user's important data safe from prying eyes. HD330, ready for the knocks and drops of life. Surrounded by a high-density, shock-absorbing silicone layer, the ADATA HD330 is designed to better withstand the inevitable knocks, drops and bumps that devices will endure in their lifetime. Combined with the same shock sensors featured on the HV300, users can rest assured that their data will remain intact, even after a nasty drop. Users will know when the shock sensors are at work when the indicator light flashes red. The HD330 also comes in capacities of 1 TB, 2 TB, 4 TB, and 5 TB, features HV300 software with ease 256-bit encryption, and empowered with fast transfer rates via USB 3.1.